on EAS here. As you can tell, it's a different setting because I am going to be actually talking with people this time. Because Discord decided to freaking work this time. And yes, I am back in Phoenix. Stopped by the post office and got the HH54VP. And yes, it was shipped by Antonio, who actually is in the call right now. He's right there. And so, well, let's introduce him. Hey, what's up, guys?
Alright, guys. So my name is Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS. I'm the one that gave Recon EAS this version 15 VP2. Now, the backstory to this is that I already have a version 15, but I found this one on Facebook Marketplace and I decided to relist it on eBay. So I currently have my version 15, and then I found another one on Facebook, and Recon got it when I relisted it on eBay.
Yeah, thanks to me.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
My name is 91 EOS.
Yeah.
According to Recon.
Damn it! Butchering. Butchering Incorporated.
Bonk.
It's incorporated.
What the?
And the only reason why I got a VP2 was because my freaking EH55, which is a freaking VP4, broke. Well, not it broke, but the freaking cord broke, and the belt clip broke. So I need to get replacements. So
Before we start, I have something to say. So I just found the 74-200 for $1 million.
What?
really?
Really? Jesus Christ.
Sorry, I'll be off in a minute.
Fuck, this is not a lie.
Jeez.
What?
Oh my god. Hey. Is that? Oh my god! Look at this! Okay, let me click on it.
Oh god. I think I think
What?
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh yeah.
What is
if
this?
I was even rich, I wouldn't buy that.
Guys, and even funnier, it said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's an ES enthusiast
Alright,
when that
I
happens.
just gotta do something.
Alright, well anyways,
Let's get this going. Let's open this baby up. As you can see, it is from Antonio. I blotted out his address so you can't stalk him, because that's my job. Wait, what?
What?
I have the address. I have the powers. Anyway, let's open this thing up. And yes, I'm doing this one-handed again. You guys know my one-handed knifing skills.
Anyways, okay, let's see. Oh yes. And the backstory is that Oh yeah, the thing is that I literally I resealed everything with plastic bags. Yeah. I relisted it with plastic bags.
You guys know how good my lucky knife is right here. This beautiful thing. And I'm doing it one-handedly too, manly. One-handed.
Okay, so
Seems legit.
yeah, it seems totally legit.
That last part. Cut. Alright, there it goes. Alright, we
You're
have
welcome
opened it.
for that.
We
Okay,
have
so
opened it.
basically what I did is that I refilled it with plastic bags.
That works. There's le cord.
Nobby.
There's le radio.
Hey.
And then le battery.
Which is probably dead.
Yeah, I'll probably need to charge it. If not, I'll just use my EH, because who cares about that thing? And then the charge it.
Okay, so basically okay guys, so basically if you get an HH54VP2, the batteries
I have one.
anymore. Let me talk, Nova. So basically they will not talk. Basically they won't work anymore due to it being in the package for so long. So what you might have to do is buy a replacement off of Amazon.
Yeah, I might do that, but since when do batteries talk? Alright, let's open everything up. Hopefully the battery does work. If it doesn't, who cares? I'll probably just end up using my EH's battery, because who cares about that thing?
Yeah, that'll work too.
Okay, so we do have bad news.
What?
The antenna. Watch this. So is it like that when
God
it...
damn it! Okay, I don't know how the fuck that happened.
I'll just have to super glue it. Who cares? It's not
Yeah,
noticeable.
yeah. I mean, like, I really did not know that was.
Before we continue.
That's alright. I can always fix it and glue it and everything. And then there's a beautiful Midland logo on the back.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. And guess what else, Recon? You're not alone. Hold on.
Oh.
You're not alone.
Hello, Antonio in the dark.
I really did
Bruh.
not know that was gonna happen. But no, I'm actually being serious. Hold on, and my camera will flip. Huh? Are you serious?
Oh, that light though. My lighting though. It's terrible.
I don't know, man.
I have to sit back to say hi.
Well, anyways, look. I literally have the same problem too.
When Saturday.
Oh, that's fun.
I currently have it sealed with tape.
Yeah, I might have to do that
surprised,
too.
I'm surprised that I didn't get that. Mine wasn't like that.
Well, anyways, back to the video.
Yeah, back to the video. Let's open this up.
But I really had no idea that was gonna happen.
Yeah, it's alright. Alright, let's see.
JPEG, if JPEG doesn't join, he's gonna be called the dumbass of the day.
Yeah, he literally joined and then left right before I started recording.
I know.
Alright, let's take this piece of crap little screensaver thingy.
Oh great, a tornado warning has been just issued.
Oh, that's fun.
For your county.
And I never get tornadoes here. And I missed it. Alright, let's pop this battery in there, see if it will go in.
Oh, wait. No, well, here, JPEG, well, let me help you with this. Hold on. So, hold on. So, if the battery does work, here's what you need to do.
Alright, as thought, it is dead. As it needs to be charged.
Wait, Recon, watch. So, okay, so basically...
Oh my god.
God damn it.
Hi, Lunar.
Anyway... anyways, here's what you need to do. So you would, just have take off the belt clip.
Belt clip to open the cap.
Alright. So what you would do is that you would hold the string like this. Right?
Yeah.
So, hold the string like that.
But I already
then,
did it.
Put the battery in.
I already did that.
And the string should still be sticking out like this. Then you fold the string. You put the battery cover back on.
Thanks for the
put
advice,
this back on it, and then you put on the battery clip. And then there you go. Boom, easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, basically how it works. Which I already did.
Very easy tutorial. Now my camera will turn off.
Hello, surprise Lunar with Bonk. Yep. He was gonna show up, but I guess he didn't. So, yeah. All right, let's open up the battery pack. Battery pack. Seems legit. Let's open up the recharging dock, which looks pretty cool. And let me get the power adapter.
Now, if the battery pack, put the radio in the charging dock and then plug it with the AC adapter on the side.
AC adapter mess. Let's.
Normal order, bonk, bonk, normal bonk, bonk, bonk.
God dang it. Alright, let's plug this thing in. That noise effect, though. Alright, let's plug the charging dock in there, like as so. And let's put that in there, and when it's not plugged in all the way, seems legit.
No, you would have to plug it on the side, bro.
Okay.
Plug it on the side and put the thing back
Okay,
on. Put the antenna back on.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. As I drop the cord. Anyway, there that is. Let's plug this in real quick. I can't do this one-handed because you know what? And I'm plugging it in, and it is a version 15. Amazing. And let's go ahead and set this up as I drop the camera. Seems legit. Hello. And then let's set this thing up real quick. Quickly do that. If I can get this handle. Wow. That low beep
What
though.
version is it?
It's a V15. It just has the low beep tone, which is cool.
I told you
Hello.
it was a version 15.
Well, duh, I knew it. I'm just
Hey,
saying.
Recon.
Yes.
Recon.
Yes.
Yeah, this is better than Lunar.
Oh god. Yep, there it is. Seems legit. Put it on channel.
Thursday,
partly cloudy. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Channel 7, which is KEC94 in Phoenix, Arizona. Alarm, let's do the time real quick. We need 4 p.m. 417. I could have done it backwards, but who cares? Select lights. Does have light normal on and normal on. It doesn't have off because you know what. Select. I'll do it on since I have severe weather coming in today. Let's go ahead and do alert test real quick. It's like the normal HH thing. Same set. Don't do that. Who cares? It's any and channel.
And guys, please don't give me hate for the antenna falling off. I don't deserve it. It's not my fault that it happened.
Yeah, it's
Because
called freaking
when
UPS.
Because when I put it in the package, the antenna was together. So this should be fine.
Yeah, I'll just have to super glue it and put some degreaser on it because there's like glue everywhere and it's disgusting.
I'm still wondering something. Look on Discord. How does this happen?
We can hear it.
Look.
Bruh. Bruh. Look at this. Bruh. Seems legit. Anyway, guys, that about wraps this video up. Probably see you guys later tonight. I still have to upload the, I still have to upload the required weekly test that I was able to get real quick. As you guys know, I was leaving Tucson today, and I was able to quickly catch the required weekly test, so that's good. And I'll be posting that later today, and hopefully I'll get some other severe weather. Well, guys, I'm here with...
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
And
Once again, I was the one that gave him that version 15, and it's not my fault that the antenna fell off.
thank you very much. I'll just have to glue it, no problem. And Mr. Memer over there. Hey, there he is! God dang it!
JPEG, he just ended the video.
I am ending the video right now.
The dumbass of the day.
Congratulations. You came right to ended.
Yeah, get out of here. Okay. And I'm bonk.mp4.
Yeah, you just call him Bonk.
Let me do here, hold on.
Yep, he's gotta pull it up. Anyway, while he's doing that, I'll put links in the description, including you're welcome, Mr. JPEG. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description. If you're in Phoenix, Arizona, and you guys like the weather, please subscribe to these amazing people. And if you like Canada weather, Environment Canada can screw off. But, yep, that's his 91 EAS. Okay, so before the video, I said 91 EOS instead of EAS. Big fail in my life.
And this is Pittsburgh EAS.
And that is it to end this unboxing video, and I will guys see you later. And that is JPEG Man, as I forget his name. And I'll put his link in the description below.
No.
Also,
he's bonk.mp4.
I guess that's his new name now. Okay. So I'll put the link in the descriptions below. Please like and subscribe to them. And like this video and subscribe to me. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you in the next video.